Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. We carry a lot of great giftable items over here, and a lot of them are actually very affordable. I've pulled a few items here from our warehouse, and none of these are more expensive than $30. Let's take a look. Everyone needs a good Swiss Army knife, and the Evo Grip 10 from Victorinox Swiss Army is a great option. This model has improved on the classic red Swiss Army knife by adding these rubber grippy inserts here that give it a lot of extra traction and make it very easy to hold onto in use. The Evo Grip 10 is a 2-layer Swiss Army knife, which means it carries very easily in the pocket, and it has all the basic essentials that you need in your everyday carry. Another great line of affordable folding knives is the Cold Steel Pro Lite series. There are a few different blade profiles available, all in German 4116 stainless steel with a stone-washed finish, and they come with an excellent synthetic handle with Cold Steel's famous triad lock on the back. The knife also has a reversible pocket clip, making it easy for left-handers or right-handers to carry this blade. If you're looking for something American-made, the Buck 110 Slim is an evolution of the classic Buck 110 folding hunter. Instead of wood and brass bolsters, the handle here is a synthetic material available in a few different colors. It also features that strong lock back and Buck's famous 420HC blade steel. The profile of the clip point on this blade is a little straighter than the classic Buck 110, but it has everything you need in a modern EDC, including dual thumb studs and a reversible deep carry pocket clip and strong lock back for left or right-handed carry. If you want something that looks a little bit fancier, the Gerber Caracara 2 from Spyderco will fit the bill. The brushed stainless steel handles on this knife look fantastic, and they do a great job of holding that 8CR13 full flat ground blade. This knife is also available with a G10 or a nylon handle, but whichever version you choose, it's just a fantastic EDC option. The grind on that blade makes it an excellent slicer, and it also has a 4-position pocket clip and excellent lock back with a buoy cutout, making it fantastic again for both left and right-handed users. If you want to add a little utility to your keychain, the Gerber Dime will fit the bill. These small pliers-based multi-tools are a great way to carry a lot of small implements that otherwise would just take up too much space for you. If you're looking for a great affordable fixed blade for the outdoorsman in your life, the Moraknife Companion series will be a great option. These knives come with a sturdy sheath. They're lightweight and versatile, and their low price means that you can afford to put them anywhere. Whether you're stuffing a stocking, or you're looking for something to add to your glove box or tackle box, or just a new hiking knife, this knife is sure to fit the bill. So all of these knives are fantastic, but you're going to need a way to keep them sharp, and that's where the Lansky standard knife sharpening system comes in. This system has everything you need to keep your edges in tip-top shape, from an assortment of stones to honing oil. But the best part about it is there's an included angle guide, which means you have a lot of control over maintaining the perfect edge angle as you're sharpening. When you're finished, all the components fit into this nice plastic case, and there's even a couple of extra spaces in that case if you're looking to add a few different grits than the ones that come with it. So this is just a small selection of all the great giftable items that we carry here that are less than $30. If you want to get your hands on any of these or see what else we've got for sale, click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.